Hi guys, and welcome to PJ's Coin Capers. This is PJ. Hope you guys are having a great day. Now, the new $50 note has recently come out in October. So this is the new $50 note here. As we've seen with the 5 and the new $10 notes, they've now brought out the $50 note. And this is the new $50 note that takes over from the old note, which I have some there. So this is the new note. Lots of new security features. Quite a beautiful note, this one, and you can see that has some nice new artwork, and yeah, it's just a beautiful note, along with the $5 and the $10 notes. So now I'm wearing my glove today because I just wanted to bring something special to your attention, and these kind of things don't happen all the time, and so I didn't want to just obviously keep this information to myself. It's good to sort of share, and that's what I like to do. So today I was fortunate enough to go to the bank. Sorry, I didn't go to the bank. My wife went out shopping and was able to get a hold of some new 2016 $50 notes. So this is the newest of the last lot of the old $50 note in this design. So now these are AA notes, so it's the first prefix, and I think DA is the last. So we can see here this is AA, and then it's the first two numbers are 16. So that means that they were made in the year of 2016. So these notes here are all consecutive. If I can sort of show you a little bit there without, I don't want to really mess these notes up, because in uncirculated condition is when they are at their most valuable. But they do go from 2065 through to 2080. So we have 16 consecutive notes right there. So these guys here are collectible and valuable. They have a much higher value than $50 notes. So always consistently through my videos, I love to show coins in particularly that are worth more than face value. So today I wanted to show you an opportunity to see if you can get into your banks and find these notes while they're still uncirculated. So the AA and the DA16 $50 note are the ones to look for. Now, if you check recent eBay sales on these items, these are selling for $400 plus each note. I have seen them sell for up to $800 each. But yes, it's certainly well worth looking for. Get out there and get some. See what you can find. We don't know how many are exactly out there. Whether the well, the people who create the notes, not the mint, but the Reserve Bank are withdrawing these or not, and as they put the new note into circulation, but there may not be too many of them about, so not easy to come across. I was quite fortunate today, to be honest, and I managed to get 40 of them, and my wife actually had rolled one up, so I'm down to 39 that are in this condition. But yeah, I'll certainly keep some of these for the future, and I'll be certainly trying to sell some as well on eBay, so which I have listed some. So yeah, alright guys, we'll keep an eye out, and I'll show you some other notes in the next video that I did collect a few years ago that did take some time to go up in value, but they're starting to move now. But these ones are hot right now. Yeah, best of luck in trying to find them, guys. Thanks for watching.